Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I will create another logo design. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please watch the video up to the end. Select both and make clipping mask. And convert this layer into the template and create another layer. Select both and make clipping mask. Press Ctrl C to copy it and press Ctrl V to paste it here. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Adjust it by using the arrow keys. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it small. Select it and make a group. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Press Escape. Hold Alt key to delete from the sheet by using the shaper tool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification from my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video.